Just look at that beautiful swordfish. For my 100th video, what a great way to start off number 100. We got a bunch of different seasonings. We got the swordfish from Market Basket. I went to multiple different stores. I found this one to be the best looking one. Really nice cut, about 1.5 inches thickness. It was ready to go. I got it on the high heat. I'm searing it at about 30 seconds and about 1.5 minutes on the other side. Got a nice golden brown look to it. We're gonna throw it in the Ninja air fry for about 6 minutes at 325 until it reaches about 131 degrees. There we go, and we got it resting on the rack. And after a little bit, I put some lemons on it, have the lemons soak into it. And I just added a couple garlic, salt, pepper. That was about it. Came out spectacular. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment on what you'd like to see coming up in the next 100 videos. And there we go, look at that. One hand cut right into it. So tender, so juicy, so good. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everyone on the first 100.